नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत इयत्ता 10वीचे सायन्स फर्स्ट चॅप्टर हेरिडिटी अँड इव्हॉल्युशन पार्ट 2चं त्याचे नोट्स आज आपण पाहणार आहोत. तर चला तर आपल्या आजच्या व्हिडिओला नोट्सला सुरुवात करूयात. हेरिडिटी अँड इव्हॉल्युशन. तर फर्स्ट नोट, हेरिडिटी इज ट्रान्सफर ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल कॅरेक्टर्स फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू अनदर व्हाया genes. Second note, Johann Gregor Mendel is pioneer of the modern genetics. Third note, in 1901, reason behind the sudden changes were understood due to mutational theory of Hugo de Vries. Note 4, in 1902, Walter and Sutton observed the paired chromosomes in the cells of grasshopper. Note 5, in 1944, trio of scientists Oswald Avery, McLean McCarthy, and Colin McEldoe proved that except viruses, all the living organisms have DNA as genetic material. Note 6, in 1961, the French genetics Francois Jacob and Jacques Monod proposed a model for process of protein synthesis with the help of DNA in bacterial cells. Note 7, the science of heredity is useful for diagnosis, treatment of heredity and disorders, production of hybrid varieties of animals and plants, and in industrial process in which microbes are used. Note number 8, information about protein synthesis is stored in the DNA, and synthesis of appropriate proteins as requirement is necessary for body. These proteins are synthesized by DNA through RNA. This is called as central dogma. Note number 9, synthesis of mRNA as per as nucleotide sequence present on the DNA molecule is called transcription process. Note number 10, the mRNA formed in nucleus comes into cytoplasm. It brings coded message for DNA. The message contains the codes for amino acids. The code for each amino acid consists 3 nucleotides. It is called as triplet codons. Note number 11, every mRNA is made up of thousands of triplet codons. As per as message on mRNA, amino acids are supplied by tRNA. For this purpose, tRNA has anticodon having complementary sequence to codon of mRNA. This is called as translation. Note number 12, the ribosome keep on moving from one end to another end of mRNA by the distance of one triplet codon. This process is called translocation. Sudden changes occur in genes. Sometimes any nucleotide change its position that cause minor change. It is mutation. Note number 14, the gradual changes occurring in living organisms over a long duration is called evolution. Note number 15, degenerated or undeveloped useless organs of organisms are called as vestigial organs. For example, appendix, tailbone, and body hairs. Note number 16, carbon dating is a technique to understand the age of fossils. Note number 17, Darwin published a theory of natural selection and book on origin of species. Note number 17, the process of formation of new species from earlier ones is called a specification. Thank you so much.